Looking for the perfect USB cables? Here's what you need to know. The USB to USB-C is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants open black lens bracket 2-pack USB-A to USB-C charging cable, close black lens bracket cord, current output of up to 3A. Allows you to enjoy high-speed data transfer up to 480 mbps. Whether at home, in the office or on the go, this charging cable can meet all your daily charging needs. Designed to help you open black lens bracket durable USB to C cable, 15,000 plus bend lifespan, close black lens bracket crafted from high quality TPE material, just like the original charging cable. Smooth, flexible, and soft to the touch. It resists tangling and is built to withstand over 15,000 bends for long-lasting performance without cracking or fraying. Great choice if you need open black lens bracket 3 feet plus 6 feet USB-C to USB cable set, close black lens bracket built-in smart chip. Fully supports iOS version, and multiple charging protections ensure that your devices are protected from overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating and short circuit. 2 lengths allow you to choose the one that suits your needs, eliminating any length-related concerns. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.